Then next, dealing with different expressions for measuring power, or we can say the various formulae for measuring power. Clear? Power is basically the rate of doing work. Whenever in physics we use the term rate, it means we have to divide certain quantity, certain physical quantity by time if the term rate is used. Okay, power is rate of doing work, so work by time will give you power. Now, because from our earlier these concepts, from all these concepts we have got different formula for W, or the electrical energy or the work done. Clear? So we have got these 4 formulae here, and these formulae can be substituted in place of W. These different formulae we will substitute in place of W, and will divide all these by time, because what we want to find out, we want to find out the power consumed. So power will give you W by T, will be found out by W by T. So one by one, keeping this all formula here, W by T, QV by T, VIT by T, I square RT by T, V square T by RT, V square T by RT. Okay, so T and T will cancel at some places. The final formula for P we will get as, here nothing will cut off, so W by T only. Here also QV by T only. Here T and T will cut off, VI we will get. Here also T and T will cut off, so I square R will get. And here T and T again will cut off, what will get is V square R. So these are the different formulae or expressions for electrical power. Here earlier we have studied different formulae for measuring the electrical energy. There is difference between energy and power. Power is the rate of doing work, or the rate with which the energy is consumed. Okay, clear with this? Then we have to find out the units of power. Okay, for units, again formula, power is rate of doing work, W by T. The unit for work is joule, and for time is second, and the unit SI unit for power is 1 watt. So what we will get is 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. This is the unit for power. Or if we are to define what is 1 watt is the work done, is 1 joule work done in time 1 second. 1 watt is 1 joule work done in per unit time.